Money talk.
Here comes the money.
studies,
Yeah.
right? So that I don't like.
Yeah.
So for me, just that here, I would not trade anything correlated with SPY.
But that's like let's say let me just say this because we were mute. I apologize that we were mute. So we have been talking about a bunch of things that are very important, like for us on our trading and things like that. Like we were late because I have things to do in the morning this week, and like I'm sorry for that because we were mute and I didn't notice it. But hey, feel free
happens.
to like that happens. So it's okay, just like this. So yeah, like coming back to the discussion we were having. The things that you're looking at are immediate things, like immediate things, like they are just recent, like, and that's not bad. Like, and I like nothing of what I'm saying is invalidating
This
what
here,
I am saying.
What I'm saying is this here, it's since we're back from vacation that I am perfecting it. So when I came back from vacation, that we had the vacation.
Yeah, I remember you told me you were studying.
Yeah, so I was studying things, reviewing our trading, looking. Okay, what is an imbalance? What does that mean? You know, and then kind of joining it all in with all of the incredible knowledge that we have been in our experience, because we've been trading together now for over 2 years, with the experience and joining it all in and saying, okay, hey, I remember we used to do this and that was a cat meow.
Yeah.
I remember when we were doing this, hey, and that was the cat's meow. And I remember this. So when it all kind of joined in, I said, okay, well, would it apply to any stock? Okay, well, let's try this. If it's going to apply to any stock, when you really join everything together, it should apply to any stock. I've been trading different stocks every day, and it applies to any stock.
Just I noticed like there is a gap in your stock, and that is extremely bullish.
Mm-hmm.
I have never seen that thing. I'm gonna show you guys later, but like.
But do you like? You know what I mean?
No, but like you're not seeing what I'm seeing here.
Ah,
like,
okay.
Like, look at the candle between the candle that you took your last partial, and the previous candle. What happened there? There is no bodies in between. You know why that happened? The demand was too high.
Okay, now it's going to get to 350. So
not the demand,
that's the offer.
The offer.
Yeah, so when we're looking at this here, do you remember seeing anything over 350? Zilch, nada, zero. 350 was the top. There was nothing over there. So now it's going to get to 350 at this one. If it doesn't get to 350, I'm going to put a shot clock on it.
Right.
Because now 349. So there's no way at 350 that this should be repelling. That's there. So now it's got a shot block. And I'm going to be getting up.
Okay, so coming back to the same conversation, like what I am saying doesn't invalidate anything of what you're doing. Though, like either invalidate anything. Like what I have here is just an observation. And it's like I when we talk Friday, like we I'm gonna show you a chart, and I'm gonna show you something I put there, and
Okay.
you will see. It's it's a complex analysis because it required a little bit of volume here and there, but like I think it put easier in perspective what the stock have been doing for the past couple of days, than more like, for example, right now, like let's say we look at SPY, let's say, and I say, why is SPY, like in my opinion, choppy? Like, well, SPY in my opinion is choppy because this is the 200 moving average in the 5 minute, which is already have a big gap between there, and this is the 1 minute moving average. So whenever SPY stay trapped in there, it have a tendency to be dominated by the larger one. So the larger one, because we open, the larger one is this one, so it stay on the bottom, and this was the smaller one. So lately, with the light volume that we have been getting, what is happening is that the lower time frame is being resistance or support, like it will like let's say in this scenario, it will keep going higher slowly, but it won't go anywhere until they really pass that 200.
Okay.
And yesterday we can see that very clear here. Like for example, like yesterday was the day that it turns the other way. Like I mean, I don't know if this chart is gonna allow me to see, but yeah, you see, like in the morning I have this thing here, and I say the same thing. I say like the same thing but reverse. This is the bigger time frame, and this is the smaller time frame. So the biggest time frame had a gap in between, and SPY was just holding the little time frame. So, but what happened after? What happened during the afternoon? And I think that this have a lot to see with Nvidia. Look when it break that trend here, like how clean it was, and then it went and see it wanna fight with the bigger time frame. It wanna fight with the bigger time. It break the bigger time frame, and now what is that? A support. And what happened with the lower time frame? It came above the bigger time frame. So like this is insane. Like this thing is tracking thing for the whole week. Like I mean that's a 200 moving average. Like I mean there are 200 candles in that thing. So yeah, like look at AMD compared to the rest of the things. And AMD is flipping apparently toward the downside or the long side. We don't know, but it's about to flip probably.
Okay.
It seems to be toward the long, but
That's a strong consolidation.
yeah, that's a strong consolidation, and you see that they shrink all of them like that, and there is where the magic happened.
Yes.
What I want to show you.
Oh no, that's
Like,
where I agree with you. That's why I've been putting. I've even had some charts that they cross and spread after, and that point there has been poof.
Oops.
Okay. So the shot clock.
Look at this. Like it shrinks here, whack it up. And like there are some that are just amazing. Like I'm gonna show you one of those. I'm pretty sure we have some. It shrinks, gap up.
Okay.
That's not the one. This is the one I want to show you.
So just to tell you, okay, my shot clock
Look
is
at that one.
05.
They all got together.
And
Wow.
look at the move.
So what are you doing with that?
So we've got 15 seconds. So in 15 seconds, it needs
If
to
he
pop
doesn't
towards
give you what
into
you want.
350. Like, look at those and look at you printing.
Oh yeah, we are, but like it's okay. That's not the move.
So when you incorporate everything, like you were saying, to really look at everything, and then you see if the whatever that we do here and whatever that I have here needs to be confirmed on the tape.
Yeah.
So
Like
if
there has
the
to be
tape,
some congruency,
correct,
coherence.
correlation.
No, and coherence, because like sometimes you see the tape
Good.
one way and you see the chart doing something else. So if the tape is saying bearish and the chart is saying bullish, where do you really go? You know, like I mean, you get very confused. And that's what happened on AMD to me yesterday or before yesterday.
So for me, the shot clock is accompanied by that. So
you have to hold that.
it has to hold up.
So now your 15
If it
seconds
goes
is okay
through
because it
there-
didn't went through there.
Correct. So if it goes through there, it's going to pull to the VWAP. I want to keep what's there, so I'm getting out. And there it goes.
They say Marie Pro levels.
No, it's really, it's
I'm not joking. I'm happy about what we were advancing. Like I mean, you say you took those vacation time to research something like that, and that seems to do very good because like Daddy was asking me like, hey, how is Marie doing in trading? Like, and I say, yeah, well, yesterday was a little bit sketchy, but the whole week she had been killing it. I mean, like,
but
like last
yesterday
week-
was still positive. There was 2 that I take, but
So-
I was a really nice positive day.
So yeah, like last week, like how you erased the result from last week is like,
It was boom, boom, boom.
and like we are in Donald's Market, Trump, in Trump's Market, in Donald's Market, Trump. What did I say? We are in Donald Trump's market, so things. I'm sorry, Marie. Like,
No, not at all, Davey. It's not.
I'm
But
gonna change the same things here. Like
no. But I love your new chair.
Thank you. That was
Eh,
a gift.
eh,
Thank you.
eh,
I love it.
Isn't
cool.
that amazing? Yeah, and his lovely wife put it all together and surprised him yesterday. I love it.
I was, like those videos, the chair do something funny, like, but she said, like, oh, I left you the tool here. If something is
Oh, if ever it falls.
loose, if something is loose, I can just.
Ah, that would
Retire
be
it
cool. No, well, we know, right? So now, look at the participation just here on the tape, on those 2 tapes. Remember seeing how heavy it was there?
Mm-hmm.
Look how low it's going. There, the big
Okay.
numbers. So what do you think is going to happen?
Okay. Well, like, just like that.
There we go.
But, like, it's, like, because those things.
And look, was there any big numbers? Look at them showing up right now.
But you see, now we're gonna talk about Zach a little bit about his strategy.
But
Well-
it wasn't. They weren't there.
Yeah, like,
As soon as they pop, they all showed up.
I can show you in the chart actually. Like I don't have R, but let's say I can show you something like PLTR.
I'm gonna be.
Like whenever you see a line here,
Mm-hmm.
like let's see, this isn't that there.
Let's go. So now
Yeah, like this. You see?
the participations are enough to push it to 378 now.
And there is a funny behavior that happened with that. So each band that you see is a low liquidity
Levels.
levels.
Mm-hmm.
So look how it break through, whack it down, whack it up, like.
But it
that's a-
couldn't maintain it.
But like that's something that Zach is saying. Like, and Zach when he was talking to me about it, he say, I don't know why, but when that happened, it always come and retest. Look, it happened like about 4 tests, and then it just take off. So in here, like you see that it's re-entering that. That's a trimestral one. Like I don't know what it's doing there, but like.
So what does that tell us?
Like.
What Zach says.
Know what Zach says in that matter, but to me, well, like I mean, yes, he's doing exactly what he said, like the fact that he come back and retested. But like, let's say if it's a low liquidity point, we kind of really don't know what is gonna happen because it's like there is no liquidity that have been printed good in there for us to have
Exactly.
reliability. But what will happen if a big seller or a big buyer appears right there in a low liquidity spot? That he will be able to do whatever he wants with it. If he's a legit buyer, he gonna cross like nothing because there is nobody fighting for it.
Exactly.
And that's why then like the participants that are willing to jump above him are gonna make the price go to the point that he need to test. Okay, he's still there. So whoever bought here with that low liquidity is staying here. So that's what he's telling me. I don't
Okay,
know.
I like it. So now look at this, how it changed. So this here, we've got bigger numbers here, right?
Mhm.
Look, 1,000 there, and look at these here. They're willing to pay, and they're willing to jump in.
And I'm pretty sure they have a big R ball today.
They're pretty much number 1.
The R ball.
That's why I chose it. Number 1 in volume, number
Yeah,
1 in
yeah.
RVOL.
8
So I
times.
looked at it to see, hey, is there an imbalance that I'm able to see? It was right there. So when I'm looking here at the tape, these people are showing up. They weren't there. These hundreds weren't there. You saw it. They were all in 40, 50s. But it popped. They're waiting. Boom! It populated instantly.
Pretty cool stuff.
It's incredible. Incredible. But it could be that they're not there. If they're not there, they're not there. Then that means 350 is a top and I'm gone. But we've seen that 350 is not the top because now we've got people that have said, hey, you know what, I wanted to sell at 350. We've got participant. I'm going to sell a little higher. Oh, I'm going to sell a little higher. I'm going to sell a little higher. And they push the stock up. Thank you very much. Continue. Where we make a great team here is two things. Is that Davey understands the market maker. Davey understands the big trader, the firms, the people that want to balance the market, imbalance the market, or fix or do whatever they want to
But
the
they don't want
market.
to make it. They make it because they have to. They
But you understand that very well. Where me, I understand the grains of sand. Because I've been a grain of sand for so long that I understand how they trade. Now, it's very rare, I'm going to be honest, that I'm going to place an order not using this. But before, what was I?
Yeah, but the problem
It
is
would be add. Look at how many. Look at the tickets.
and I have this because like
I would be easily in the 100 tickets.
this have nothing to see with my personal perception, but it's like, for example, like, was it easy for me to convince you of doing that?
Oh God, no.
Exactly. So Marie listens to me. Like I can say that Marie listens to me. So
And-
like, and it took a big effort. But what I mean, like, take the average bear out there, and like you said, okay, like how many people are willing to say, hey, you know what, or I get it at a good price, or I don't get it. How many people are placing limit orders? Like it's no, like, and at the same time, like why something work and why it doesn't work? Like I mean, like I'm pretty sure that the way she got there, it was no more than because of my opinion and the observation. It was like, okay, I see that there are certain reliability by doing this. Like what happened, like
For sure, there's a reality. It's not a little bit reliability. I'm connecting the dots, and the dots are connecting every day the same. What I got rid of, because your knowledge was dead on, your courses were dead on, everything your training was dead on. My emotions of controlling the FOMO.
that's a big one.
The FOMO
No,
is
like-
huge.
Sometimes
Of-
we get in our own way with that.
Absolutely. So you want to not miss the big move. You don't want to be left out. So for me, in trading my P&L, how many times did I sat here trading my P&L? Say, oh my God, I got a loss. I got to get back that loss, and just taking a bigger shovel and digging that hole. So now it's more of a hey, the information is there, use it. You know, and if you can't use it, it's okay. You can't use it. But if you can't use it, walk away. So
Yeah, it's a very interesting thing. So I'm gonna take some partial here for PLTR. It's just like he's doing PLTR things, so
PLTR is doing PLTR thing.
yeah. So I don't want to be trapped in there for no reason. So let's see if he wants to manifest or not.
Let's go, R&R. Let's go. So INTC, what are you gonna do now? So if we're looking at here, did it change the tape? Absolutely. Look at that population that's right there. I do not want to see it go back down to now I'm moving my line of limit at 345.
120 people are gonna be relying in like or below like this will make sense to you, my guy. Like I mean, why did it pop when I took my partial? Why couldn't it pop up like just a little bit before? You
Oh,
know?
hey.
You take your partial, you move. It's
But
like
you take your partial because you
it
want
took me an
to
eternity.
be.
But what I mean is like, why do you do that? Like I mean, like why? It's like it's so common that you take a partial or you go out of the trade and then the things move, and it's like, why does that happen?
Let's go. So now What's the next
By the way,
level?
thank you for all your good compliments about my knowledge of trading.
Oh, hey, it's
Like,
there, Davey. I
Uh,
didn't read 30 books, right? So it's
No, but like
it's
I
all
mean,
you.
it's cool that like
It's all you.
to hear it. Like I don't think I'm that good, you know, like knowledge wise.
Knowledge-wise, you're that good.
Execution wise, I suck. I mean, like
Controlling that incredible brain power, that's where it's hard, right? It's hard to when you've got that much. It's hard to be able to.
You see, again, she's complimenting me. That's cool.
Hey, so now I don't like what INTC is doing. So the buyers are definitely the buyers are a little bit weak right now. It's gonna go down to 24. Do I want to keep it to 24? Because there's a very good chance that INTC at 24 will not bounce, but will be able to go to 23.80. It's a very small loss. Do I want to add there?
Oh my goodness, my precious.
Okay.
My precious.
Okay. Okay. I like it. That was a really, really, really good pop there. So I added to the position of INTC. I just worsened my price by 3 cents. That's a good 3 cents is good. It's not even 1%. So let's do this.
By the way, SPY already escaped the moving average as well. Soledad es tan tierna como una paloma.
Yeah, I said that this here is, but you know what? Let's put you here.
Soledad.
I'm gonna put you here. If you go down, get me out, and I'll go back in at 24.
So is there anything else that is looking okay? So I'm excited about Nvidia's earnings today. Let's see what Nvidia wants to do and
running. Oh, look at this, Davey. Look at this.
You good, huh? You good.
Incroyable.
What day is it today?
Miércoles.
Miércoles, okay, cool. Merci.
Okay, so this is an important level for SPY. And it will go chomp chomp. Yeah. Chomp chomp. Okay, so now, look, did you see at the opening? Look at all those sellers right there. Look at the BB volume. And look at this one. And look at... Incredible, eh?
Yeah, I think the market is set up for Nvidia to do something crazy at the end of the day. I don't want to, like...
yeah, you'd have to have big
cojones.
to be keeping that one. Let's go! Woo!
Nvidia, I don't have Nvidia. Like, I don't have Nvidia as a long term anymore.
Oh, no?
No, like, I am all in Tesla. Which is even worse, but you know.
Where did I take this? Where did I take this?
I'm making money on Tesla.
Where
already,
did I take this? No.
Like, in my opinion, you are trading more and more. You know, like whom? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I watched them a lot too.
Like, which is weird because, like, I mean,
Hey,
Know your type. Know your type.
hey, you know what my type is?
Making money, I know, but like
That's my type.
it's
So it's enough. Like it's yeah.
it's a weird feeling, but like
But it's a good feeling, David.
it's a good one, of
It's
course.
a
Like,
good.
anything that is happening in trading since day one is good. Like I had like at first I made in my life of trading. At first I made very good money, but being an ignorant and like playing very risky thing that I didn't know that I was doing, I was just lucky and I made good money on it. And then I lost a lot and like or in proportion, but little by little. And then I say, okay, I'm gonna educate myself a little bit. And like since then, well, like always just trying to improve, getting better. Like I'm not willing to live out of this for now. So like long term, yes, like in the long term, that's what I want to be, a full trader. But like that's why I say it's anything is just learning. It's it costs a lot for sure. Like because trading is like a
That's moving now.
if it's a hobby, I can tell it's an expensive hobby. So
Yep. So now I'm moving that one there. So it moved, remember, from 37, and 37 now is a VWAP.
my head is just with that thing, because like, what are the chances that I will be taking a trade on RR?
Close to that.
And what happened when I show you RR here? RR. I have an order at 315 that I never got. So that's like what happened to you normally, but like
Yeah, that
Why-
I don't front.
why that is so obvious for me that I say, man, I have to go long in this thing.
For everything I said? No.
Not this time, because the order I put it before, like I say like
Yeah, I took it,
yeah.
and then you said,
And then I
ooh,
said,
what are you
"Ooh,
trading?
this is looking good," but
Mm-hmm.
it was because of as I say, I'm gonna share the info with you later, but like it's just like the reason why I don't share it in the channel is because it's just I'm observing things. Like this is no, I don't have proof of that being reliable.
Oh, wow. It has to move again, Davey. Ooh, doggy.
Do you know that a bunch of companies are going like private lately? Like
Yeah, IPOs. No, you said private?
private, yeah, like yeah, a lot of our
They're coming out from the public?
Mhm.
Oh.
One of them that they are trying is Canadian Goose, Canada Goose.
Oh.
Like I saw it in Bloomberg this morning, and like they are doing a big effort to be not public anymore. So
Wow. No. Let's go. Okay, so what's the next? 365. I need to move it again. Ah.
look at your entry, like holy crap. I'm gonna I'm gonna draw it with this happy pen. So Marie is long in this.
At 318.
Right here. So look at the move she have. Oh my goodness.
And it is. Wow, it crossed it. Yay.
In Donald Trump's market.
Okay, half my position at 378. And it's on its way. Let's go.
Sin necesidad de nadie, ay mi soledad. Tin, tin, tin. Are you laughing at me?
No, I am just muy feliz. Oh, that's impossible. It's gonna go to 4. Look
So
at
I
those
have an order to
people.
be partial in there, right there.
There.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
374. Look at you, lady.
Let's go. I don't want to waste a partial.
SPY have a like the trend on the SPY is a little bit aggressive.
Okay, 378.
Well, a little bit. No, it's really aggressive. The trend on SPY right now. SPY right now here you see like that trend really like even in the 5 minutes you see the acceleration
Oh yeah,
going on
it's
here
incredible.
is insane, man, insane. So
Let's go 378. You're right there. Let's quote my partner in trading and say you cannot get so close to the sun without getting burned. Let's go 378. I am so happy I did not take a partial. Let's go. You're so there. You're so there. You're on deck.
I'm taking a partial for this PLTR and I have a very specific price there at 160.80. And then I'm leaving it for the
There
rest
we
to do whatever it
go.
wants to do.
Okay.
You need to bang it too. You know,
Oh yeah, that's a big buy.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
And look at that. What does it do?
You're funny.
So it's going to retest. So 378 has to be retested here within the minute.
Pretty cool stuff.
Within a minute, 378. Let's go.
I think the RR wants $4
Well, I see it there.
because it's a little bit aggressive, as I say. It's
But it has to, at one point, it's going to run out.
yeah.
Because that's a small cap. Okay,
Well, run
378. Hey, it did it within the minute. It reprinted 378. Good job. Good job. Good job. Let's go, grain of sounds. This can go to 4. You still have 25 cents.
I haven't tried my coffee yet. Even like, why?
I'm almost finished.
Yeah, I'm a man. I cannot do two things at a time. So. Sin necesidad de nadie.
Okay, so now INTC has crossed the VWAP. This could be interesting. If I'm looking at the tape is the same look. Now we're talking. Holy busy tape. This is great. This is a very, very, very busy tape. Sadly, there's no way there's going to be a pullback on INTC that would warrant me adding.
I think it
What
will.
am I saying?
I think it will happen. Like I look at INTC and I don't want to talk too much about to you about it because you are bullish. But yeah,
It needs to bounce that view up. And it should. At 24:30, we should find a lot of people. Great, great people. Oh, this is so funny.
oh baby, I love your way.
Every day. Oh, Dumbo. I know, you're all confused. You're all confused.
You
Why
say
are
like-
you not giving me snacks
Why
anymore?
are you guys so noisy?
No. Why are you not giving me snacks? Okay, at 30, don't print lower than 30. I want to add though. Okay. I'm gonna break even. I'm breaking even. Make the decision. Walk away. Let's go back to our 380. Incredible. It's gonna get to 4. People are participating enough. Now we've got a position at 425 building. What? Okay, so that level there on SPY Let's see, because that was a previous resistance level. So let's see if that's going to become a support. If it becomes, whoa!
Yeah, like you can, whenever you having take any partial, you can also bang it for just the move that it did.
Right?
She's celebrating RR and RR.
That small cap, I am
Right.
65 cents in the money.
That thing is like what, 11% up? 22% up? You say it right there.
Yeah.
22% up. Like what? Ooh, getting flushy there. Getting flushy. And NVDA.
Let's check that.
Yeah, NVIDIA. I didn't took NVIDIA, and I'm okay with that.
Okay.
So,
So now we need to maintain 378. We need now this here has to be 378. Okay, and there it is. 378 is going to be reprinted. What are you going to do at that level? And to do these like this, what what does to me is just that it confirms my understanding of what is going on. Because if it crosses, that means I'm not reading it properly. And right now, what is it doing? Right off it. So it's important for me so that I can understand.
Well, I think I still have probably a video there that like I was reading a tape and like I say like wow, that's so clear. Like I mean, like 2 + 2 4. Whenever you see this seven that have instead of 4 have 16, that's your turn.
Right?
But as you say, also like in those conditions, the market doesn't behave like that. Like it's not that precise like that because of the uncertainty, the volatility, all those things. So everything took a little flush there. I think SPY wants to do something nice. It's doing something nice probably. It's about to make a higher high.
Yup.
So the equities are shaking off a little bit there. But SPY is not. So
And every time I've moved my level, did it ever touch it? And it's an aggressive level. It's right there, right? But at that level, I need to pay attention because if it's losing that level, and depending on how much it loses that level, I'm gonish. I don't want to lose that and leave that on the table. No way. Mi dinero?
dinero, dinero. Yeah, PLTI is pulling back a bit, but I think it's not gonna go too low.
So I really like the fact that it's taking its time there because that means it's going to pop a good move. 8 seconds. Oh, what you gonna do there? I like that. Yeah, because 378, if you would put like RR, there we go.
Oh, here,
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
it's right
it's right there. Look at 378. Look at the levels that I've put down and look how heavy they are on yours. And I didn't even look at yours.
yeah, like here and here.
Yeah, these are all my levels that I had, so I love it.
Well, they have quite high volume there.
Hmm.
So like,
And that's what we're talking about. Give me 4. Give me 4. Come on, jump in. We still have a lot of profit. Come on.
yeah, like and look at the volume. Like that thing is going higher and the volume is ramping up. Like probably
They build.
if we see some consolidation, probably we want to be like looking the other way.
Mhm.
But
Well, there is some right above the 378, right? Look at it there. That's the longest consolidation it's made at a price. But 378 is one of the largest.
Yeah, but look how it flush.
There we go. So what am I supposed to do there? Okay.
Like you just
40
say that and
seconds.
you just flush like nasty. Like I mean,
Yeah. 40 seconds. 15. Doom, doom, doom. Okay. I'm going to sell.
and I'll be breaking even on Palantir. Like it makes no sense to me to take a risk in that trade. Like it is quite low, but like I think I like the fact that when we went a little bit lower, the volume really reduced on Palantir. More than that, like right now, yes, it's ramping up a bit in the 1 minute, but we had healthy volume in the push, so I should be able to hold and stay a little bit quiet there. But yeah, so Palantir pretty good. Tesla pretty good as well, and we just have to wait a bit more because Tesla, like the reason I even have a little amount of shares on Tesla is because like we know how Tesla can move $3, $2 against you very easy. So I'm just gonna keep it there. If you get me out, I have a clear stop loss like around 349, something like that. 349.50 actually. So if Tesla doesn't want to go, well, go without me. But like this thing is cooking a big move as well. Like I mean, like yeah, I should be adding to Tesla, but I won't add. It's just good like that, perfect like that. It doesn't make me feel too much pressure. So bang it, INTC.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Tesla is still trapped into the pre-market range, so
Tesla?
yeah, like I have Tesla there, but like you see the two white lines, they are the pre-market range.
Yep. Okay. Oop. Hey.
Baidu. You know that I thought that you were going to add at that price.
I almost did. But, I mean,
You did the right thing to still like I mean like
no, it's 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
50 cents for my original price. Like, I was,
pretty cool stuff.
thank you.
Yeah, and you see what is AMD doing under the water. He just doesn't care. What I was going to check.
How your trade's doing, Davey? Talk to us.
They are doing very good. Just waiting for because this is not the move for Palantir. Like I mean, either of them. Like I was very careful. Like and Palantir's doing something weird. Like I mean, I can be wrong on Palantir, but at least I already pay like my losses with
Okay.
Palantir. With Tesla, I'm quiet. Tesla, I think I know better, but and I think big parentheses. I think I know better with Tesla, but with Palantir right now, like I think it should go higher, though. You take it slow, you know, like you really don't know what this thing wants to do. So right now, if we look at the tape on Palantir,
Okay.
last time it was looking healthy. Yeah, it is looking. It's looking good. Yeah, it's looking a little bit neutral, I would say. But if I have to aim for something, I will aim for the 161, which have 90 lot, and I think we can go higher. But as I say, it's a process that you like. Once it prints 161, we're gonna see if there is something else. Like I was willing to partial at 160.80, But I decided to cancel the partial and just instead of taking the partial, let's go break even and like zero risk with a very big potential rewards if I am correct. So KDP. So let's see.
Just seeing where could be a top on KDP because it's going to create an imbalance there.
Yeah, and again, like I have that thing, it's like a gun in your head. I have the thing that's gonna block me. If I take partial right now, I will get like, yeah, and something happen, I will get blocked. I will get blocked green, but I will.
You know what I'm going to say.
I know, I know you're probably right. It's just like.
Right now, I'm just putting levels because GTI. If I would have known that one, that could have been a good short. What about you, Rocket Lab? I like Rocket Lab. Sadly, today I don't like your range.
You see, everything is like kind of going down.
Why do we have a dog?
Oh, because I use the calendar, the math thing, so it's okay. I'll be back. Just give me a second. So we are back. I was just testing something. So, man, that Palantir looking ugly right now. Huh?
So for the long to continue and for it to be piercing,
Spy gonna have to do better.
SPY needs to recheck the 626.25. 646.25. For the long to continue. Let's go. Let's go, SPY. Yay.
Eh, it's no.
Well, you're not taking partials.
I know, but like, yeah.
So what's your plan? What's your partial?
Well, to be honest, right now I don't have a plan. Like I'm just breaking even.
Okay.
Like I have a plan for Tesla, but not for PLTR. So I'm like looking quite crappy right now. So PLTR.
Okay. I'm
Though,
close to my first partial in INTC, so I'm going to just keep an. But I am going to look at 2450 if we've got enough participation. Come on, Spy. Retest that level. Here. Okay, 46 on deck, 47 is on deck. Let's go. You're so close. And then Tavares.
Tavares, who's Tavares?
You're talking about sport people.
Tavares. Sounds so cute when you people say that with your accent.
Tavares?
Yeah.
And there you go. So Spy's retesting. What you're gonna do there, are you going to use it as a support level or are you going to use it as a bye-bye now? A resistance. Okay, we got a lot of grain of sand, but I don't want to pull back there. Right. This is your next level, INTC. If you go there, so long, farewell.
Yeah, PLTR. What I don't like about PLTR is the spot where it is right now. Like, I mean, there is a like a kind of volume pocket there.
Okay.
Sorry, I am squeezing you, and you're
No,
saying it.
no, you're not.
There is like a volume pocket right below the 59, so it could hold very good there, but like the fact that I am breaking even on PLTR is probably a bad idea. But I just like I want to stop taking bad trades or bad decisions with my trades, and like I think to not be breaking even here, it is a bad decision, I think. So to not take partial probably too, but like I mean, but like hey, let's not have both of them.
I could just put my. Okay, you know what? So far, I don't think I'm gonna do you.
I like RR at 330.
Let me see. Wow. I'm so glad I walked away. Oh, that tape. That tape.
And it's funny because look at how the MACD sync. Like,
Right? Like everything speaks to us, right? It's like they all have a note of music when they play together, and then when they all harmonize, take the trade. Let's do this. Sing to me.
what can I say, lady? Yeah? What can I say?
Hey, look at the trades. Look at the trade. And Baba is the only one. I said, oh, that unbalanced, but that was at the open, remember? And I took Baba. It was one shot, because across the VWAP, I said, ooh, that looks good. I looked at the tape. I said, oh, no, 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 that does not look good. And I left it. I'm so happy. That was one shot. That's my only red trade that I got today. Kaboom.
I have a red trade on PLTR, but like I made that money back. Like now I'm just playing with the money of the house. In Tesla, I have risk. Like it's just I'm willing to hold the Tesla.
Okay.
Like yesterday, I say Tesla won 350. It got to 350. I think today Tesla won 360. It's not happening yet. I will be so annoyed if by any chance the market stay in expectative because or in like choppy mode just because of waiting for
Earnings.
Nvidia results. Which, in my opinion, today, whatever they say, it won't matter. Like in my opinion,
It won't?
like, it won't matter. The reason, like, I think that people just gonna use this as a liquidity opportunity. Like, because what happened is that what have been going on with Nvidia, the government, and China, and all those things have been very public. Like, they may talk about it, they may not say anything.
Yeah, they don't want to give, China the best chips, right? They want to keep it here.
Yeah, and China was like getting pissed off because they are putting trackers in the chips now. So they when they do chip smuggling, like they are able to track where the chips go. So
So they know it's happening, right? So no, they're not paying up front, and they're saying they're not being traded, but they get it in the back door, right? So
what I mean by that, one day I say at some point in life, like not too far, like not 4 years in front, like before 4 years in front,
okay.
I think Nvidia is gonna go to $500, and like we all gonna see that happen. And like, this is not financial advice, so make sure you read our disclaimer. Any trade that you take is under your own responsibility. This is just my opinion. So like, yeah, like why not? Like I mean, like the way like this company have the best position that it could have, like chips related, and like I just think that the way we are thinking about AI and the demand for chips is we are gauging it with our human limitations.
Yeah, true.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Yala. Palantir, don't do that to me, my guy.
Okay, so which one were you doing in? I'm gonna break. Even, where's my? You're way too far. Oish. Okay, I do not want to see that price. There we go. That's my break even. And pony's taking off. Where do I want you? Intel's trying to go. Yeah, it is. So Intel, my out is going to be 25. So, and look at that, David. Remember I said it needs to retest 646.25. It retested and made a higher high. So we'll see what's going to happen there. Okay, so Pony, yeah, you're slow, but hey, you know what? I like what you're doing. And I've got a good position. I got a good price. There we go. Let you go. So you said PLTR? No. Yeah, PLTR.
Yeah, what I have is PLTR and Tesla.
Let's go. PLTR.
And they are going good. It's just, you know what it is. So.
Yeah. 159. Oof.
I would like to know. Today I'm not holding until 8 o'clock. That's for sure. Nvidia report, I think is like at 4:20. Let's see what time is Nvidia earnings.
Okay, so SPY's gonna make a higher high very shortly.
What time? That should be a trend today. What time is Nvidia's earnings release today?
I thought it was during the night, no?
Yeah, it's after the market close. Normally it's at 4:20 or 4:25, but today it's at 5 p.m.
Oh.
What is happening at 2? Something is happening at 2 related to them. Just happening wrong.
It cannot cross 159, David.
It shouldn't, yeah, right?
No. If it crosses,
You go home.
I didn't like the way it reacted to that VWAP there. And what else you got? Tulsa?
But Tesla is already manifesting, so Tesla is gonna go higher soon. Unless the SPY decide to puke it there. Palantir. Come on, Palantir, you can do better.
What's the expectation for Tesla?
My expectation is 360. And if I am very optimistic on it, it will be 368.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it some risk to that Palantir. No, I don't wanna say it. I don't wanna do that. I see. Yeah, it's okay. Get me out, Palantir. Get me out if that's what you want to do. I cannot control you.
Oh. Moving my. Oh. That's okay. Moving my stop loss on Pony got out. Not the best trade there, but still.
Man, like there is a dinosaur selling on PLTR. Like, really? Like, you are still not done?
There's a dinosaur?
Yeah, like whoever is selling on Palantir is. It's okay. It's just like I mean,
Like I see it.
it was,
I see it going down to 158.
yeah, but it went there already. It went close to that.
Very close.
Yeah. So like yes. Yeah, I got out. Let's see if you where do you want to go? Yeah, 158. The way you say it. If you go 158, I'm gonna try to take it again. Let's see. I don't want to go against that because it's like that tape is healthy to the long, and that's the type of exercise I was telling you yesterday. Like,
It's an awkward head and shoulder, but Little feet. Okay. Spy's
I
gonna
read-
make a new high.
I read 2 PLTR.
Spy's gonna make a new high.
I see the 58.
And who's on the run here?
It doesn't seem to be running together. Ella?
Hmm I feel the force of Ella in our midst.
Okay, you can stay there. Just be silent, please. Her biological clock is good. Like,
Hmm?
she came about the same time that you said.
Exactly, right?
So it's like,
It's
you made it.
amazing. Wow. Okay. So tell me that 646.25 is going to be a resistance spike. Wow, that was beautiful. Wow, look at our RR and that beautiful VWAP bounce at 355.
I retook the tray on PLTR because I think if I get too picky with I want the 158. That's one of them that I wouldn't expect to get offered like it will miss by the penny, and like I have a long time without getting a tray miss by the penny because whatever reason, but like that looks like one of them. So let's just be patient here.
Yeah, the tape is different.
The volume is ramping up, so
Are you able to add at 158?
the way I play, no, but I can do it that way probably. I just wanna have to get rid of half here. But I the only thing is that I will be able to survive the 158 if he go there. My stop loss is 30 cents below. So I am okay with that. So let's see how.
Do we see any interest at the offer on the tape? I didn't.
Not much, to be honest. Like I mean,
Yeah, I didn't.
nothing until the 162,
160, 160.
162, but we had 161. So
I don't see 162.
yeah, 162 have a 165 lot.
Okay.
That's one that moved toward the highs, not toward the low. Now Tesla is doing good, but PLTI is not doing that good. So
Bid's pulling out. If you're able to survive. Oh, we've got position building at 157.
I never liked that.
No, I don't like it either. Okay, so the tape is changing now. We'll
Yeah.
see. So we have to watch it at 158. Okay, position building at 157, 156.50, 156.78, 155. We are going to be printing 158. It's on deck. $158 on deck with the double shield, and it's going through
Wow.
like butter. Butter.
As I say,
Mantequilla.
it was a dinosaur that he have to solve.
So now there's a shot clock of 30 seconds to reprint 158.
That's what you do.
Yep. Okay, we do have participation. Oof. Oof. Okay. 13 and 158 before the shot clock ended. Now when we've got 6 seconds for the candle to close. Ooh-ah! $158 reprinted at the end and before. So that is really, really good. And the tape has changed. Did you see that? Did you see that? Incredible.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Those 75 books was worth it.
You're funny, yeah?
No, but it's true. Hey, that's a huge investment, and
You're
you
funny.
had the patience to share with me. And you still shared with me, even though I was looking at you sometimes with a deer in the headlight look and saying, why are you saying that to me? I'll never use it. But guess what? I did use it, and I am using it. Because it's not easy to share something with someone that's looking at you like, huh? Right? But you continued.
Hi, Papi.
Stop laughing at me.
I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you.
Okay, so PLTR. Are you out?
I'm not out, but by 9 cents right now. 7 cents. I'm gonna be out very soon.
Daddy says it's come with a box.
It's a big box too, I bet. Because that's a big chair. I don't like. I don't like.
Yeah, I don't like either, like the way it's looking.
No.
But if I am 100% honest, I wouldn't go short on it. Like at the VWAP, yes. The VWAP, yes, it looks like a short. But why wouldn't go make a lower low? You need to take a break.
No, there's really nothing to pull it through on the tape past that level. But we'll see if we've got some phantom players. No, there's still nothing.
Paradoxically talking, what you are saying is exactly that thing. You were seeing the guy there at 158, now you don't see anybody, and you ask yourself, like, why is it bouncing from there? But it is bouncing. I have the same feeling here, like, eventually, because, like, wait, he's gone already, but he he enticed enough people that they would jump in with him.
And look what's happening here.
Up to now, I have survived that by depending. Like, I mean, and I don't think I'm safe there. You know, like.
Yeah, there's a lot of agreement on that level.
Right now, what I am seeing that is a little bit relevant is that there is a participation at 157.99, and it is running away from it. Normally, that's a good for the turn, but we have to wait for somebody big enough to show us the ask to see if he's gonna run toward it or if he's gonna run from it. And right now, we only see coming back to the 99, coming back to the 99, but like no, with a lot of.
The gap from the MACDs are closing.
I'm gonna get RR. Just right now. What are you laughing at?
Okay, your price is right there, Davey. What is it going to do? I'm looking at the tape. Seems to have enough participation to get to 50. We'll see. Is
Daddy?
that all BS?
Yeah.
Daddy, look at you.
Is Daddy working with Marie?
Yeah.
I love it. That's what I thought.
Okay, there we go. I will
At
be checked out.
75. 75. It's got.
Okay, I
there
got-
we go.
I got RR.
Okay.
Mommy, let's pretend
Oh.
Mommy,
Yeah.
let's pretend that's a window and I draw on it. Now I will clean it. La 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 la.
Oh, but it's so pretty.
Yeah, but I'm going to leave. I'm going to get off Daddy, but and the heart I'm going to let it so you can take a picture because Daddy is bad. I cannot take a photo with Daddy.
PLTR got me out.
Mommy,
Just, let you know.
that's a crown.
You're putting me a crown?
Yeah.
Oh.
And everyone you can take a photo.
I would love that. As soon as I finish trading, I want to take a photo.
But what I can draw.
You can draw beside it.
Okay. Here.
Yeah, draw beside something.
How is some more decoration?
Oh, hey. I love to be decorated. Oh, I like that, baby. I like this. I like this. You still?
PLTR, no, I got out.
Okay. But you got RR.
I got RR. But in PLTR, I could take PLTR back if I want. It's just
Okay.
I'm having trouble with that.
TV?
Yes, sir. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Wanna take a break?
No, look at this.
Mommy, look, I'm putting blue.
Oh, so pretty.
The blue almost don't work.
Yeah, I know. We need more crayons. I wonder why, though.
Yeah, I'll show you which one don't work.
Yeah, I wonder why things don't work.
Just 3 don't work.
Yeah, but why? Why do you think they don't work?
Because Daddy used them a lot.
Oh, do you think that's the only reason?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
So
I need to wipe the window now.
I'm giving it my last shot for PLTR.
Okay, but I want to. Oh.
Or it works, or I walk away.
My mom said to wipe the window, so I'm
It should be there for a little bit.
But that's why I say like there is no momentum toward that side.
There's a possibility, though, that it could go
Mm-hmm.
to 50.
Are you kidding?
Bye, friends.
No, 57.50.
Yes.
Oh, I will be able to survive that.
Okay.
I just don't like right now. I have a level that is at 57, 56, 60. So I find that level a little bit too far.
I love the fact that it reprints 158.
Yeah, because like that, this time the reason why I got in is because of the lack of momentum below the 158. Like that 158, yes, I know it's acting as a level of resistance, but
But it could flip to support very easy.
exactly. So is that gonna be legit? We don't know. Let's see.
I'm encouraged because whatever that's there, but there's small numbers below 158 and bigger numbers above 158. So let's do this. Let's do this. Davey wants the big trade.
Yeah, in RR, I have to add more shares. Like,
How many shares? Wait,
yeah,
let me
it's
see.
too little. It's RR.
Oh God, yeah, that's too
Yeah.
too small. But it's a good beginning.
It's a good beginning, you know. I know she was going to say something like that.
No, but I mean it's good because hey, that's not something that you jump in, right? Like
I am adding
those
more.
low
Let's
cost.
see. I double it.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, what aggressive. I double it.
Ah,
Hey.
you're being funny. Papa is being funny.
Esla, say it. Papa is always funny.
Papa is always funny.
I'm kidding, honey. That's not true.
Most of the time.
Huh?
Most of the time, I think it would be. Ugh. I really don't like the fact that PLTR might retest 158. That I don't like. But that's okay.
But now,
it
like,
just reinforces the support level.
There is a test that is for value test, you know? Like, yeah, honey?
I want to paint with this paint.
We're almost done.
We're almost done, so just give us a couple minutes and so I haven't took horrible trades today. Like, I mean, that's a good thing at the end, but like a little bit disappointed with PLTR. With Tesla, I'm pretty happy, and like Tesla is just like I'm waiting a bigger move here, and I have said that previously. Like, I mean, I think that if this print 360,
Thank you, Beja.
I will be like golden. Like, I mean. And that's my target, 360. Like, can Tesla do that today? Oh, for sure. It's just a matter of patient time and all those things. So, look at SPY. SPY is hanging up in there like if there is nothing happening. Like, it's
It will be here.
Yes.
Hela, we are still working. We have a deal, you remember?
Okay. Okay.
Back to life. Back to reality.
Back to the human mountain. Mm-hmm.
One business day. The RR is not working. It's but it's okay. This the price I wanted was 330. Now it's 340. So at 340, I'm gonna add
What you mean it's not working?
RR. It's red. It's
Oh, because
Like-
when you added,
not because I added. Like, I added at the same price that I had. Like, I just got the same price I had.
yeah, but you said you added, you took it at 330.
No, I took it 350.
Ah.
356 to be precise.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna try to add the 340. If it doesn't work, we just walk away. Ela. You have to use it. If it's designed for something, we are almost done. Just wait a second. No, it doesn't work.
Hi.
Wait for me because it's the desk is too low.
Let's go SPY. Use that as a support level. Again, 646.25. And let's get
So that will be that one. Mamadera.
okay.
Ela, mi amor. Mi choco choco.
Okay. Choco choco.
PLTR, keep tanking.
And what is the tape saying? The participation.
No good. No bueno. Like the tape.
Okay, big position at 157. Yeah.
Yeah, it's. I don't see it as a big position, but like I just see it's no.
200? That's pretty big, no?
I have 100 on 3. Plus 98. Got you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
200 is pretty big. And it's really respecting that trend. It's not broken at all. Just beautiful. Hmm. And SPY 646.25 now is a support level. I like it though. That's good for the longs for sure. Hey, maybe at 40.
Which one?
157.40. It's a big enough
The 25 and the
position.
71.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put that line there because that could be a test line now. There.
Ooh la la, flushy flushy. Went through the 40s. There we go.
IOTCs.
1 penny below only. Then reprint higher. Let's see what it's gonna do now. Let's read that dip a bit. That 40 was relevant. Thank you for the call out. But then we got down 6 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents.
So it's gonna go to the.
Let's see, because the immediate print was healthy. So 31.28. Yes, still going down. That didn't do much.
Okay. So now we've got acceleration. Oof. Okay, 157. We thought it was big, but they weren't showing up on the tape. We just had about 2,000 lot go through.
But look what happened. Look right here.
2,000 lot went through. Whoa.
Think fast, my guy. Think fast.
Yeah, no, don't go back. Yeah, but look at the trend.
Uh,
156.80. $156.80. Bless you, bless
Hello.
you.
so that's everything for today. Like the thing, I'm gonna walk you through my trades.
Mm-hmm.
PLTR. I have been going long on PLTR. Like nothing pretty much worked on that. I'm trying to retake it now, but kind of don't want to chase it. Okay, I would get it, but with a different stop loss. So let's see if I'm right. It's a very tight stop loss for that one. I think the seller really flipped the thing there. So if you ask me why, look at the tape. Did you see thousands of lot in there before?
Nope, never.
So
Okay.
Marie.
This is my earbuds. So were you giving us our trade?
Yeah, I'm going to do that. So that's an easy hint. It's just like we can see it from far. Sorry, Marie. There is some learning here again.
Oh, please.
It's always like
Why are you saying sorry? You're the boss.
I'm not the boss. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through my trades and like I have my lines here. So that's 58. Then we have 58.50. So we want to see what this really wants to do, because this is interesting here. We have a bunch of selling happening really close on PLTR right now. That's why I say there is some learning here. Like, what happens is when you print 57, I don't know if something was said about Palantir in the news or something like that, but
I didn't hear anything yet.
something hit the wires. Like that tape flipped like this. I think we're gonna be able to see the in the streaming as the purpose of it actually.
Nice.
So what do I want to show you? I want to walk you through my trades. Basically, like I took a long here. That didn't work. Like that's PLTR. I was looking very long on PLTR, but like that really didn't work, you know. So I took a long here, got out, took another long here, heavier, partial. That was good. That put me flat.
Why not doing this one?
Then
Because I got this.
I
one.
got out at break even, and then I say, you know what, that's a good price, I want it back. So I got it back, got out again, another loss. So now, like, this is a loss that I got paid already, but then I have a loss here, and then I got in again, I got another loss. It's not that bad, it looks in my head, inside my head, it looks worse than what it was. Because really, like, this one was a good trade. Like, that was, the first one was red. This is red. This is green, and this is red, and this is red. So I do have 3 trades red on it, but one green that was very good. So like basically this is my third shot. Like if this one doesn't work, then I can be saying, oh, you know what, I did my best. I pushed it enough that it didn't work, so leave it alone. With this one, let's say. But let's see, because in my opinion, what is going on with Palantir? I mean, like I don't want to go short on Palantir. Like I know it have been trending short, and like probably I can elaborate a little bit better of why I guess should be going short in this. Like this VWAP rejection here. If the buyers were so good, I mean, like why do we do that? So instead of having like a shoes here, it maybe have like a type of V-shaped recovery. If it was for real good, like you see what is happening now compared to what was happening before. Like, like basically, in like this was one that obviously didn't work because it flushed right away. Then I got it again, and you have like a leg like that with the shoes. So it's I'm using my imagination here. And then you
I
got
see a hockey stick.
the same here, like a hockey stick. That's good. Like so, another hockey stick, then another hockey stick, and now, what is different? After this 57, that is a V. It's a V shape. It haven't manifest completely, but it's not a hockey stick. So, as I say, if that doesn't work, I'm gonna be okay with being out of it. And like I have a tighter stop loss, so in there I have a full position with a 50% stop loss.
Full flush from SPY.
So yeah, I see a SPY going crazy. So yeah, so in Palantir, I'm quite red on Palantir for now, but Tesla was doing good until now. Like now it's right, like I passed from green to red for me. I am not selling down unless it hit my stop loss on Tesla. So RR, I have another order to add, but it didn't get my order, so like I just gonna keep whatever I have, and like at some point I'm gonna reduce the risk. I took this trade. I haven't took any partial on RR. Let's just see if it's going to work or not. So RR, that's it for me. And I took something else. Oh no, Tesla, PLTR, and RR. So that was it for me. I think that volatility that we are seeing right now is spiking right like that. It's very important, but like probably it's just shaking out people. This market doesn't look bearish to me at all, with the exception of Palantir. And even Palantir, I say I don't want to go short because of, as I say, maybe it's the wrong thing. Like, but we like look at how we are trying to go to this 158 one more time. So yeah, that's it for me. What about you, Marie? What do you have?
Are you bringing it?
So, what I did is I took 4 trades. So, I took Baba. That was a.
1 minute.
So, Baba, I saw an imbalance. I liked the way.
Not doing it. Where did you find that? Sorry, Marie.
Papi, bring
Yeah.
it for me.
Marie gave it
Yeah.
to you? Okay.
So, Baba, what I did is I really liked the momentum that it had at the opening. So then I took it at 122. There was a big one there. Then it got me out with the regular stop loss. I left it there, and I'm glad I did, because then it actually was so super rangy, not even like a dollar range. So I'm very glad I got out. So that was Baba. I took Pony. Pony, I took it at the VWAP. Again, it was a one-shot deal. I took it at the VWAP at 1447, and I broke even on there. So I added only once. I broke even. I said I didn't see the momentum, so I walked away, and I'm glad, because yeah, that didn't go well. I had RR from the opening. So exactly almost
Your
at the
best trade, I guess,
opening.
for
Yeah. So I gave it a shot, RR. So I took RR at the open, and I took it at 326. It got me up. I went right back in at the VWAP. A little higher, so I got in at 318. Took my first partial 330, second partial 342, third partial 350. Fourth partial at 376. Never added, never did anything, and it came out completely up the trade at 368.
That is a fantastic trade. If you see, she have it from here.
Yeah,
It's
at
the
that
second time, so
consolidation,
you just,
which
She-
was great.
Mommy, I love
She have
the
a-
other one.
Oh, you got the
an out right here, and her last out is around here. But like, this is fantastic.
because they're very expensive.
Like, that's very high thing.
Yeah. So
So
the last trade, I'm still in it. It was INTC. So I went in at my level at 24.16, right there. I let it ride. I added on the pullback at 24.20.
INTC.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And my first partial was at 24.50, which was at the big one. I took a second partial at 24.56, and now it's still popping. I'm still in the trade. So
Very cool stuff.
Yeah, like my number of tickets. Yeah. Come on.
Yeah,
now.
about 23 is like
That's unheard of. Like I've been getting my tickets literally. This was a goal 2 years ago to keep them under 30. Never was able to. Some days
under
it was
30 and
100.
Yeah.
Yeah, some days were, like 100 tickets easy. And now, like, it's almost hard for me to hit 30 tickets in a day trade. So it's very, very nice. I'm really liking it. Now it's still popping for INTC, even though I did. Oh, yeah. Go.
Yeah, INTC is just going higher and higher.
Go.
I really like the INTC. I didn't like it much when you showed it to me before, but like, yeah, you're reading that tape pretty good.
I'm getting there, right?
Yeah.
Thank you there, coach. Hey, you were my
Hey.
teacher.
You want to make people believe that I am your boss, but it's not like that.
Okay, I can't break even. So
Maybe
right now,
25.
I just press even there on INTC, but no, you can't press even. Break even. You got to move that. You're like,
Like many times you can say I'm playing with the money of the house, pretty much.
it's true. Okay, I'm playing with the money out of the house because look.
No, when I mean like playing by the money, like your stop loss is so far that you really have to do drastic things. In RR, you had your price hanging out like right there in the
Let's
bottom.
go!
And
It's still pretty.
yeah, so yeah, that's a pretty cool stuff, you know. So yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
So that's it for today. I hope everybody had fun. Mary had a great day, and like I'm red, but like no concern. Small red day for me. Let's see how we end the day. Like I have 3 positions open, which is a little bit too many, but I'm not waiting for it to be like I know like normally I have been closing my position like very late the last 2 weeks.
It's true, eh?
But today is not that day. Like today, I don't wanna. Nvidia is able to move a lot of things, so I am not doing that today. Like I'm gonna try to close my positions before 4 o'clock, like that. I am inside the parameters that I wanted to be. So yeah, that's everything for today. I hope everybody have a good day. I hope you enjoy, and like, yeah, we're gonna be here tomorrow. See you then. Bye.
Bye.